What's up? Iduan here. Today I'm cooking chicken curry in cream sauce with rice.
Mmm, yummy!
This meal is very easy to prepare.
Let's go!
I will need a chicken, a fillet of a chicken, a rice, perfect, garlic and an onion, a sweet pepper and cream. Yeah, these are 33%. And some curry spices. Yeah, curry spices. Cut the chicken into the small pieces. You can cut it like that or like this, whatever you want. The smaller pieces would be, the faster the chicken will be ready. It's time for garlic and onion. You have to clean them and slice them. Oh my eyes! Oh, I can see a thing!
Perfect!
Put a frying pan on the cooker and some oil.
Just like this, alright? Perfect!
Yeah, maybe too much oil. Now it's time for onions. More onions. More, but don't put garlic in there yet. Now put the garlic and then the chicken.
And the super chicken!
While the chicken is being prepared, let's slice a sweet pepper. There's no seeds in there. Almost no seeds. Yeah, I don't need that.
No, no, no.
Put that thing into the pan. Here I have all the spices. I was looking just for a curry spice, but I haven't found it in the shop, so I bought the whole bag with different spices. It's salt and pepper, everything is here. Yeah. Put the spices. Mix them a bit. Now, the secret ingredient. Cream, because the chicken curry is in cream. I call that meal. And these are 33% cream. And let's put them into the frying pan. The cream should cover the chicken. I think right about so. So it's about the half of this. It's about the half of the pack. The chicken will be ready in 10-15 minutes. I put the cap on the frying pan, and by this time now the rice is ready, so I can take it out of the pan and serve it on the plate. Special corners here, you just pull them and here you go! A perfect bag of rice. Some salt and a bit of pepper. The chicken is ready! Check it out!
Mmm. Yummy.
There is a lot of sauce here, so you can cover it. So you can cover the rice with it. Oh, it's gonna be super tasty. A bit of sauce. Yay!
Mmm. Yummy.
This is the result. The whole cooking process took me about 50 minutes. Oh, it smells so delicious! And it's healthy and tasty and it's fun to make. So tell me what you think about this super meal. And don't forget to subscribe if you want. If you don't, then don't subscribe. So anyway, see you on my channel! Bye!